Daily routine.
Hey Mia, how's it going today?
Hey Jake, I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good too. What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up around 6:15. What about you?
I wake up at 7. What do you do after you get up?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a quick shower.
Sounds good. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yeah, I always do.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I normally eat cereal with fruit and a cup of coffee. What about you?
I usually make scrambled eggs and drink orange juice.
Hobbies and free time.
Hi, Emma. What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books. What about you?
I enjoy playing soccer.
That's nice. Do you play every day?
No, only on weekends. How often do you read?
I read almost every evening.
What kind of books do you like?
I like storybooks and comics. Do you watch soccer on TV?
Yes, I watch games every Saturday.
That sounds fun.
Favorite foods.
Hi, Chloe. What is your favorite food?
I love pizza. What about you?
I like pasta. Do you make pizza at home?
No, I usually buy it from a shop. Do you cook pasta?
Yes, I cook it with vegetables and cheese.
That sounds tasty. Do you like spicy food?
A little, but not too much. Do you?
Yes, I like spicy noodles.
I think I should try them one day.
Yes, you should. They are delicious.
Family members.
Hi, Zoe. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do. I live with my parents and my younger sister.
That's nice. I live with my parents and my two brothers.
How old are your brothers?
One is 10 and the other is 14.
That's great. My sister is 15 years old.
Oh, that's interesting. Do your parents work?
Yes, both my parents work in an office. What about yours?
My father works in a shop and my mother is a teacher.
At the market.
Hi, Ava. Where are you going?
I'm going to the market.
What will you buy there?
I need some vegetables and fruits.
That's nice. Do you go there every day?
No, I go twice a week. How about you?
I go on Saturdays with my mom.
Do you like the market?
Yes, I like looking at all the fresh food.
Me too, and I like talking to the shopkeepers.
Weather today.
Hi, Bella. How is the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
I like sunny days.
Me too. It makes me happy.
Is it hot outside?
Not very hot, just nice and warm.
That's perfect for a walk.
Yes, maybe we can go to the park later.
Good idea. Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes, but I like sunny days more.
Same here.
At the park.
Hi, Lily. Are you going to the park?
Yes, I am. I go there every evening.
What do you do at the park?
I walk and sometimes run. What about you?
I like to play soccer there.
Do many people play soccer?
Yes, many kids and young people play.
That's fun. Do you also sit and relax?
Yes, I sit on the bench after playing.
I like the park because it's peaceful.
School life.
Hi, Nora. How was school today?
It was good. We had a math quiz.
Oh, really? Was it hard?
Not too hard. I reviewed my notes last night.
Nice. What classes did you have today?
Math, science, and English. What about you?
I had those classes too.
Do you like your teachers this year?
Yes, they're very helpful.
Same here. I like my teachers a lot.
Favorite subject in school.
Hi, Ella. What's your favorite subject?
I like English. What about you?
I like science. Why do you enjoy English?
I love reading stories and writing my own ideas.
That's cool. I enjoy doing science experiments.
Are the experiments easy?
Some are easy, but some are a little tough.
Do you want to be a scientist one day?
Maybe. Do you want to be a writer?
Yes, I think I do.
My best friend.
Hey, Aria, do you have a best friend?
I do. Her name's Chloe. She's awesome.
That's cool. What do you two usually do together?
We play games, draw, and sometimes even do homework together.
How long have you been friends?
Since we were 7, we've known each other forever.
Does she live close to you?
Yeah, just one street away. Super convenient.
That's awesome. You can hang out almost every day.
Exactly. We meet nearly every evening and have so much fun.
Do you two ever get into little arguments?
Sometimes, but we always make up quickly.
What's your favorite thing to do together?
Definitely playing board games and trying new snacks.
Snacks are important, especially chocolate, right?
Absolutely. Chocolate is a must for game night.
Do you have sleepovers too?
Yes, they're the best. We stay up late and tell stories.
Sounds like a perfect friendship.
It really is. I'm lucky to have her.
My furry friend.
Hey, Jake, do you have a pet?
Yeah, I do. I've got a dog named Buddy.
Aw, buddy, that's adorable. What does he look like?
He's fluffy, mostly golden with white paws. Totally cute.
Ooh, I love golden dogs. What's his favorite food?
Oh, he's obsessed with chicken and loves little carrots too.
That's funny. Do you take him on walks?
Definitely. Morning jogs and evening strolls are his favorite.
Does he like to play fetch?
Oh, he's crazy about it. He literally can't get enough.
That sounds like so much fun. Does he ever cuddle too?
Yeah, he's a total snuggle bud after playtime.
Mm, I wish I had a dog like Buddy.
You should! Dogs totally make life better.
I can imagine. Does he do any tricks?
Oh, yeah, he can sit, roll over, and even shake paws.
That's impressive. How old is he?
He just turned 3, still full of energy.
I can tell. Is he friendly with other dogs?
Super friendly. He loves making new friends at the park.
Bus or train?
Hey, Emma, do you usually travel by bus or train?
I usually take the bus. It's easier for me.
Oh, really? Why not the train?
The train station is pretty far from my house.
Ah, that makes sense. Is the bus at least fast?
Not always, but it's comfortable and I can relax.
I love trains. They're usually faster and smoother.
Do you take the train often then?
Yeah, whenever I go into the city. It's kind of fun.
I guess trains are exciting. Do you get to see cool scenery?
Totally. You pass parks, rivers, and even old bridges.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I wish the bus had views like that.
Buses are more for comfort than scenery, I guess.
Yeah, I do like being cozy on the bus too.
So, do you bring snacks on your bus rides?
Always. Chips and soda are a must.
That's the spirit. I snack on the train, too.
Maybe I should try the train sometime.
Definitely. It's a whole different adventure.
Okay, next weekend I'll give it a try.
Restaurant fun.
Hey, Ben, do you like eating at restaurants?
Yeah, I love it. Trying new food is the best.
That's cool. So, what's your favorite restaurant?
There's this small pizza shop near my house. It's cozy.
Nice. What do you usually order there?
I always get a cheese pizza. Classic and delicious.
Do you go there often?
Maybe twice a month. Gotta save room for other food adventures.
I really love restaurants that have amazing desserts.
Me too. Ice cream is my weakness, especially chocolate.
Do you ever try weird or unusual toppings?
Sometimes. Pineapple pizza is my guilty pleasure.
Pineapple? That's crazy, but kind of fun.
Hey, don't knock it till you try it.
Maybe I will next time. Do you eat out with friends often?
Yeah, it's always more fun with friends. Pizza parties rule.
I agree. Nothing beats good food and laughter.
And maybe a little ice cream to finish it off.
You're making me hungry just talking about it.
Then let's plan a pizza trip soon.